Ever spent ages searching for data in Excel? Meet VLOOKUP, one of the go-to functions for finding values fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use VLOOKUP step by step and how to fix common errors. Let's dive in. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in the first column of a range and returns data from another column in the same row. It's great for large data sets, for example, price lists or employee records. First, the equal sign tells Excel that the following expression is a formula, not plain text or a number. Without the equal sign, Excel will treat your input as text or a value instead of a formula. Next, VLOOKUP is the name of the function itself. It tells Excel to perform a vertical lookup, searching for a specific value from the top to the bottom of the first column in a selected table. The lookup value is the value you want to search for in the first column of your table. This can be a number, text, or a reference to a cell containing the value you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for a product ID like 102 in a list, 102 would be the lookup value. You can also use a cell reference like A2, meaning Excel will look for the value in cell A2. The table array defines the range of cells that contains the data you want to search through. The first column of this range should include the lookup value, and the other columns should have the data you want to retrieve. For example, if your data is in cells A2 to C11, your table array would be A2 to C11. It's a good practice to use absolute references if you plan on copying the formula elsewhere. See the absolute example of our VLOOKUP formula in this workbook. The call index number is the column number in your table array from which you want to retrieve the result. The count starts from 1 for the first column of the range. For example, if your table array is A2 to C11, column 1 refers to column A, column 2 refers to column B, and column 3 refers to column C. If you set call index number to 2, Excel will return the product description from column B of the matched row. If you set call index number to 3, Excel will return the price from column C of the matched row. The range lookup is optional and tells Excel whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. If you set it to true or leave it blank, Excel will return the closest match. In this case, the first column must be sorted in ascending order for it to work correctly. If you set it to false, Excel will return an exact match, and if an exact match isn't found, Excel will return an error, such as NA. Use false if you're searching for a specific product ID or exact value. Use true if you're searching for a value within a range, such as price categories based on thresholds. Let's say we have a product list, and we want to find the price of keyboard. By looking up the product ID in our second table, we would start by clicking in cell C2. Then type equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. Then click cell A2, our product ID. Add a comma. Now, click on our second sheet, products with price. Then click column A, hold shift, and click column C for our full table. Add another comma. We now enter the column number where the data we are wanting to return exists. In this example, that is the price column or column 3. Now we can close the formula off here with a closed parenthesis or add another comma and type false for an exact match. After that, we will now see our keyboard price in our first sheet. If using our example Excel workbook, you'll see the entire price column autofills. Sometimes, VLOOKUP gives an error. Let's fix them. Common mistakes and fixes. Hashtag N/A error. Check if the lookup value exists. Wrong column index. Use the correct column number. Table range issue. Use absolute references, for example, $A, $2, $C, $11. VLOOKUP is great, but it has limitations. It only searches from left to right. If you need more flexibility, try XLOOKUP, which you can find a video for in our Excel tutorial series videos. Now you know how to use VLOOKUP like a pro. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out our XLOOKUP tutorial next. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for future videos and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us grow the channel and continue making more software tutorial videos for you. If you wish to support us, we also have Patreon now. Link in the comments below. Let us know in the comments below what you'll use VLOOKUP for or what you would like to learn next. As always, thanks for watching.